Alright, so in this video I'm gonna go about showing how to mirror the controllers. And I'm gonna first hide my COG controller set that I made previously, pressing H. And I'm gonna grab all of this, which is the right side for these. I'm going to do a Control G as in George, just to make a quick group. I'm going to explain why I did that. I'm going to name this temp group for right controllers, to kind of see what's happening. As you can see, when I made the group, right, which now contains all of this. Wait a minute. Why are these guys all out of order now? Fine, undo this. Undo, undo, undo. So as you saw just recently, it was all out of order when I grouped it. I don't know why it does that, but originally these are all in order. See? In here. So I wanted to maintain this order just purely for the fact that it just, I can just read it well, right? So I want to grab from the very first, like 0, 1, down to here. If yours is not in order for whatever the hell reason, that's fine, right? But if it is in order, let's just try to keep it like this, right? But if it's not in order for whatever reason, that's fine as well. Anyway, I select from the first one, right? Then shift select to the top. Then you do Control G. It should work because I already tested it out. Yeah, see? Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom. Boom. And then boom, as you can see. I'm gonna name this now temp group for right controllers. Okay, I'm gonna just hide the bones for now. With this selected, I'm just gonna press H to hide it. Then I'm gonna select it again, Control D as in David. Gets it all in order. I'm gonna name this replace R for left, and replace right for left. Alright, then I'm gonna ungroup it. Please don't screw up my order. Alright, good, it didn't. Wait, no, undo that. Okay, so here it is, right? Everything's in order. I'm gonna select my temp group for left controllers that I named, right? As you can see, its pivot point is in the dead center of the 3D world. And what I'm gonna do is change the scale X to -1. And once I do that, bam, it's all flipped. See? Front, now it's flipped. I can confirm it because we're looking from the front. Then I'm going to select the group, edit, and ungroup. Boom, it's still in order. Good. But now you'll notice there's these data. The reason why you have these data is because of the fact that when I ungrouped it, right, it took on the negative value, and it also made it rotate Y 180. Anyway, so you grab all of that. You go and freeze transform. Well, FT means freeze transform, which is also here. Which is also here. Now it's clean. But I need to change the names from right to left. You want to select from the begin. Wait a minute. Right. So that's here. This is for my left. Right, so you grab here and then shift select to here, which is the end, right? And then for the naming change, search and replace. Again, if you don't know where that is, modify, search and replace. And then anything with right, I want to replace it with left. Apply, bam, ba 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 ba. Solid, nice. Click outside. Okay. Then for this one, right? Press H to show it. Holy cow! Looks like a Christmas tree. Select it. Edit, ungroup, bam. Now all of that's at the bottom. And that's how you mirror it, the controllers. This is a whole lot to look at, so I'm just gonna grab everything that is left. Press H to hide it. Everything is clean. And then so that was like what, 7 minutes, and that's how you mirror the joints. And do I want to cut it short? Let me see. I mean, I could start connecting them. You know what, I'll do that. I'm gonna go press H to show my center of gravity controller set, because it has a spine. And then I'm going to let me see, grab this down here, and then I'm gonna shift select the corresponding controller, which is this one, for this to this spine control 6, which is way over here. Press P for parent, bam. Now if I select this, that is selected. Then if I select this, it's gonna follow along. If I select this, oops, select this, follows along. See the spine. Boom, 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 boom. Alright, I'm gonna make my outliner where I grabbed here, so I split it. And I can look at the bottom and I can look at the top. Yep. Alright, next. That was 9 minutes. I'm gonna grab this controller. Shift select this guy right here, its controller, which is this. See, at least we're color coded. This, shift select that. Press P as in Peter. Right? Yeah, see? Which is here. I suggest grabbing it from here, right? And then shift selecting the controller for it, the spine, press P as in Peter. Bam, see? Now it's all connecting again. Wait a minute. Yeah. Because this one, spine 5, if you look at it segs way over there. Or maybe should I do the left side? One moment. Alright, so I paused the video for a bit. I think I'm gonna not do this side, the one I just did right now. Control Z once, twice, one more time, one more time, Control Z one more time, one more time, one more time, and one more time, one more time, one more. Okay, so now there. And then wait, one more. Undo. Undo. There. So I undid all of that for these two. I undid it. And the reason why is, and this spine control 5, and then after that spine control 6. Spine control 6, right, it has this rib F for the right side. So I want to do the left side now to make the stack look clean. I mean, it won't negatively affect the rigging, but it'll look less confusing. That's why I want to show that. Show that meaning show the left side and attach the left side of the ribs. So I'm going to go in here, crack open these, press F, left side. Yeah, so I'm going to grab this, which corresponds to this bone, and then shift select the spine, right? That's the reason why I did all that undos, and then press P as in Peter. Bam, see? Now we have spine 6 controller segueing into the right side and also segueing into the left side. See this and this? Okay, good. I'm gonna show the left ribs, E ribs. Wait, no. Ugh, stupid, press H. Alright, so I showed these two. Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna grab this, the right side, shift select its controller, which is this one right here. See? Press P as in parent. And then if I look down here, see? Good. And then I'm gonna shift select the spine, press P as in parent. There you go. And then I'm gonna grab the left side, grab this, shift select this, right? The bones, press P for parent. That way now, like that. Then shift select the spine that's gonna attach to spine 5 controller, press P for parent. Boom. Then now you have spine control 5, this and this. This one, right. So rib, E, right and left. Spine 6 is up here. Oh god. You know what? I'm gonna grab this and this. Rib, E, left and right. Middle mouse click, hold, middle mouse drag it, and place it right there. So it's just a dotted line. So now I have this, and then right, left, and then spine 6, and then spine 6 segues into the right side, left side. Alright, next I'm gonna grab, wait a minute, grab the left side of the D for David, press H. Oh boy. I'm gonna grab this, shift select that, press P. There you go, down here. Shift select for this, press P. Like I said before, it's okay if it shifts over. Right, it just looks like something moved but didn't, because if I select here, see, it's still there. Crack that open. 3, 2, 1. Then I select this, shift select its spine number 4, press P. Still doing this nonsense, this segue. I mean, I could grab it and then middle mouse click and drag it so it's, uh-oh, what did I just do? Undo. Did I do it right? Right? Spine A. Spine A, control 4. Segue into spine this, and spine right side. Right? Okay. Alright. Okay. I'm gonna do my left side from the outside in. Grab this. Shift select this because it goes to that. Press P as in Peter. Grab it from here, the little plus sign. Shift select its next one, controller. Press P as in Peter. Grab it from here. Shift select this. Press P as in Peter. There you go. This and this, and then this. Then I'm gonna grab this and this, the right rib D set. Select, shift select the left rib D set as well. Middle mouse drag it. Middle mouse, so it's right here, just a dotted line. Alright, so that's good. I think I'm not gonna manually make it look nice. It's just too much of a headache. Alright, so next. That was 19 minutes, man. I'm gonna grab this. Shift select this. Press P. Down here, you'll see it here. Then I'm gonna shift select for this controller, which is the purple one. See? Press P. Select it from here. As you can see, there's the set. Shift select its corresponding controller, which is the spine, this one. See? Press P. And it's doing the same thing where it's doing this thing. I mean, it doesn't mean everything. It does not mean that things are rearranged. It just looks a little bit more sloppy, and I'm just going to leave it alone. There's more chance of something breaking, you know, if students were to reposition it nicely. So I don't want to potentially cause that, so I'm just going to leave it alone. I'm going to show the controllers for this. So that's this and the left one. C ribs, press H just to show one set at a time. So I show that, grab this, shift select this, press P. What? Oh no, I already did that. God damn it. I gotta start on this side. Yeah, see? Shift select this, press P. Grab this, shift select its corresponding purple stars, press P. Grab it from here, shift select its spine controller, press P. And it chucked it way up there. I'm gonna just leave it alone. So these are done, these guys. Now I'm gonna do for here. Grab, I wanna show the left side, press H. Alright, so these are the pink ones, pink stars. Grab this pink star, grab this pink star, press P. Down here, you can see it here. Then I'm gonna grab the next pink star controller, press P. Select it from here. Now I'm gonna select its corresponding controller, which is this guy. Up here, press P. As you can see, it got connected like so. Next. Now don't start from here, right? I recommend from the outside in. Just like it's the pink star on the left, press P. Grab it from the outliner, and then find the next one, shift select it, press P. Grab that, shift select its controller, right, this guy, right? Isn't it this guy? Press P. There you go. See, right side, left side. Good. Alright, next. Almost done. Grab this. And let me just show the left side. Rib set A. Press H to show it. There. So now I'm working on my teal colored stars. I grab this, shift select this, press P. I grab from here, shift select the next teal colored star, press P. Grab it from here, shift select its corresponding spine controller, which is here, press P. As you can see, here it is. It goes up, connects the spine, control 1. Good. Next, I'm going to go from the outside, select this teal colored controller, shift select the next teal colored controller, press P. Select it from here, grab the teal colored controller, press P. Grab it from here, zoom in, find the controller, spine controller, which is this, press P. There you go. So you got the right side, you got the left side. You can grab both right and left. As you can see, there it is. Alright, so that one is good. Where's okay. Connecting controllers. Connecting alright. Gonna show the left leg and hip. Oh god, this is a nightmare. I mean, these are done. Press H to hide it. H to hide it. Hide it. Hide it. Press H, hide it. Did I do these? Yeah, I did those. Hide it. Good, good, good. Grab these helper ones on the left that are grayed out. Press H to unhide it. Good. Alright, so this looks more manageable. Okay. Show the bones. Hide the grid. Okay, let me see the right side. Oh boy. Left side hips. I think I want to just hide this. Anything up here, press H. Don't want to look at it. Okay. You know what? I want to hide my helper bones. It's just too much information. Pressing H to hide it. Pressing H to hide it. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna start with the legs. Right leg. Shift select the next one up. Press P. Select it like that. Select the next controller. Press P. Select it from here. Select the next controller. Press P. Select it from here. Grab this next one up. Press P. Select it from here again. Now carefully select the next one controller. Press P. Select the chain from here, as you can see. Then select the next corresponding controller. Press P as in Peter. Select it from here. Select the next one controller. Press P. Select it from here. Select the next controller. Press P. Select it from here. Shift select the next controller. Press P. select it from here. There, you can see it there. Then shift select its corresponding spine controller, this guy, press P, and it chucked it way up there into spine control 00, segueing into the right hip side. There you go. That's why you have to do it slow and steady. Yeah, I do not recommend rigging if you are extremely tired, or end of the night type of a deal, because chances of something breaking or selecting the wrong thing is extremely high. Alright, next. So I did this. Okay, on this side, grab this, shift select this controller, press P. Select it from here, shift select the next controller, press P. Grab it from here. You always know what it is because you see the little plus sign. Shift select the next controller, press P. Grab it from here. Now shift select the next controller, press P. Grab it from here. Shift select the next controller, press P. Grab it from here. Shift select the next controller, press P. Grab it from here. Shift select the next controller, press P. Grab it from here. Shift select the next controller, press P. Grab it from here. As you can see, nearly done. Shift select the next controller, press P as in Peter. There you go. Next, shift select the corresponding spine, press P. Boom. As you can see, all connected. I'm gonna just reveal. I'm gonna just close it, and then hold shift and click, and then I want to kind of show what's happening. Alright, not bad. Okay, so that part was done. Jeez man, that's 33 minutes. I'm gonna leave it like this. I'm gonna just show what I have. Show the bones. Pressing H. Okay. And then after that, gotta do the helper joints. Helper joints shouldn't be too bad, because this corresponds to this, which is going to be this. Yeah. Alright, good. So I'm going to leave it like that. And the next video, I'll be going over attaching the helper joints. I mean the helper controllers to their corresponding controllers. Just basically follow the bones to where they go, and then you figure out that it's this controller. So I'm gonna leave it like this. Alright, bye.